Swagatham Bhagini.
Namaste, ma'am. How are you?
Namaste. Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay, madam.
Sriramji, Swagatham.
Namaskar, madam. Namaste.
Namaskar. So, hope you had a good, wonderful darshan.
I had a good darshan. Yes, madam.
Very good.
Sorry, I missed 2-3 classes, I think.
Yeah, it's okay, but you can manage it. No problem. Because we're only practicing the exercises, so it takes some time. So we are not taught that much fully.
Namaste, Ben.
Namaste, Geeta Bhagini. Okay, I think we will start the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः.
Namaskar.
इदानीम् अहं प्रार्थनां वदामि. ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. In the last class, we started with the kaha, ka, kim. We'll just see once again, then we will go to the exercises. Okay. Dvidiya Padaha. Kaha, ka, kim. So where we should use these are all when we ask, who is he, who is she, what is that? For all that, for that question, we have to use kaha, ka, kim in Sanskritam. So kaha where we should use and ka where we should use, then kim. So kaha we have to use when the question, when the reply is pullingaha. So pullingaha we have to use kaha. So who is he? For that we have to use kaha. Then ka shabda, who is she? In English it is both the same, but in Sanskrit we have to use ka. Who is she? She is Sita. Sa Sita. So we have to say like that. Kim. So for Napumsakalinga Shabda, we have to use Kim. Kaha, ka, kim. Pullingaha, Strilingaha, Napumsakalingaha. So for that, we have to use this. So first I will read the Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Swarnakaraha. So,
Madam Madhvi, will be back in 5 minutes.
Sorry?
I will be back in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Padmaji, sorry, this is in which book, this one?
This is in the second book. I have circulated this book.
Okay.
It is in the Kalika group. I think with the 506 pages we have circulated, it is there.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
So, okay, it's okay. So, Yeshaha, because the pointing that index finger is closer, no? So that is why it is, the question asked is Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Swarnakaraha. You can see the question and answer. Prashnaha Uttara. Okay. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Swarnakaraha. Similarly, that person is little far away. So the question is Saha Kaha. Saha Lohakaraha. Saha Kaha. Saha Lohakaraha. Saha Lohakaraha. The second one, Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Malakaraha. Yeshaha Malakaraha. So we have to, use the Kaha Shabda like this. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Malakaraha. Second one, Saha Kaha. Saha Kumbhakaraha. Saha Kumbhakaraha. Saha Kaha. Saha Kumbhakaraha. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Astipaha. Astipakaha. Yeshaha Astipakaha. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Astipakaha. Saha Kaha. Saha Gopalaha. Saha Gopalaha. So we have to use like this. So last week we stopped here. So we will see the second one. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Rajakaha. Yeshaha Rajakaha. Saha Kaha. Saha Takshakaha. Saha Takshakaha. Carpenter. Saha Takshakaha. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Arakshakaha. Yeshaha Arakshakaha. Police. एषः कः? एषः आरक्षकः। एषः आरक्षकः। सः कः? सः सैनिकः। सः सैनिकः। एषः कः? एषः विदूषकः। एषः विदूषकः। So all these are all masculine. पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः। सः कः? सः उद्यानपालकः। गार्डनर। सः उद्यानपालकः। एषः कः? एषः न्यायाधीशः। एषः न्यायाधीशः। So न्यायाधीशः, can anyone say who is he?
Judge.
Judge.
Yes,
Judge.
correct. Yes. एषः न्यायाधीशः। सः कः? सः अर्चकः। सः अर्चकः। So we have to give the answer. On top of it, it is given nartakah. So yeshah kah? Yeshah nartakah. Yes, we have to answer like that only. Yeshah kah? Yeshah nartakah. Okay. So now I will ask one by one. You can. I think 4 of you are there. I think. No?
I think all of us are there today, I think.
Oh, okay. Then Balasubramanian Mahodaya is there. 1 minute, I think. I'll see who are all there because.
Ma'am, I'm there, Sundar, but I'm driving,
Oh.
so I just wanted to hear. I'll see if I can participate.
No problem. No problem. Driving means if you please concentrate on your driving. Madhavi Bahini.
She just left for 5 minutes. Geeta is there. Sriram sir is there. Or he's driving.
Oh, okay. Madhavi Bhagini only told me that she'll be back after 5 minutes. Okay, because I couldn't recognize the voice. Okay. Okay. 5 of you are here. Okay. Priyavada Bhagini, please answer. Okay. Saha kaha, the first one.
Saha Gayakaha.
Uttama. Saha Gayakaha. Uttama. The second one. Okay. Second one is given. On top, what is it given? Can you just read? Sauchikaha, yes. Yeshaha kaha.
Yeshaha Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha, uttama.
Then Saha kaha. Saha Gayakaha.
Yes. Second one. Saha.
Saha Kumbharaka.
Kumbhakara. Kumbhakara.
Sorry, Kumbhakara.
Yes, uttamam. Saha Kumbhakara. Uttamam. Okay. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Sriram Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Driving, no?
Oh,
Eshah kah?
who is Sundar Mahodaya only said I think he's driving.
Yeah. Eshah Deevarah.
Deevaraha, yes.
Kah Saha Vyadah.
Saha Vyadaha, uttama. The last seventh one.
Esha kah? Eshah Chalakah.
Chalakaha, uttama.
Saha Patravahakah.
Saha Patravahakara, uttama. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. So, Patravahakaha. Chalakaha is driving now, so Sundar Mahodaya is driving, no? So, like that it is.
So how do you put a name, madam, there? Suppose you say Yeshah Chalakaha. Suppose you want to put a proper name. Sundar Chalakaha.
Yes. So, okay. Sundaraha. actually, because full
Acha.
masculine means we have to use visarga,
Okay,
no?
okay.
So we are quite far. So Saha Sundaraha, Saha Sri Rama Mahodaya, illa Sri Ramaha.
Okay.
How would you say that for feminine, madam?
Feminine will come.
Okay.
Because I wanted to say, but I thought, okay, let me come.
I missed it, so I-
Sa, we should say Sa, we are coming.
Okay.
Okay, see now, so this is for feminine, Strilinga. So we have to use Ka. She's closer to the index finger. Yesha Ka, Yesha Bhrutya. Bhrutya. So Yesha Ka, Yesha Bhrutya. Then second one is Sa Ka, Sa Shikshika. Sa Shikshika. Shikshika is also a teacher. Shikshaka is masculine. Shikshika is a feminine. Shikshika. Sa Shikshika. Then third one, Yesha Ka, Yesha Vaidya. So for a feminine doctor, we have to use Vaidya. For masculine, Vaidyaha. Yesha Ka, Yesha Vaidya. Sa Ka, Sa Lekika, writer. So what will be the masculine? Can anyone guess?
Lekhaka.
Lekaka.
Lekaka.
Uttamam. Bahu uttamam. Sa Ka, Sa Lekika. Sa Lekika. Yesha Ka, Yesha Makshika. Yesha Makshika. Sa Ka, Sa Pipilika. Sa Pipilika. Yesha Ka, Yesha Stalika. Plate. Yesha Stalika. So plate is generally feminine strilinga. Yesha Stalika. Sa Ka, Sa Dvichakrika. Sa Dvichakrika. So we have to use feminine like this only. Ka. So can Geeta Bhagini read the this page?
Okay.
Can you please read?
Esha
Ka.
Esha Ka, Esha Grigini.
Uttama.
Sa Ka, Sa Sanyasini.
Uttama.
Esha Ka, Esha Putri.
Uttama.
Sa Ka, Sa Janani.
Janani.
Esha, Esha Ka, Esha Sammarjani.
Samarjani. Yes.
Sa Ka, Sa Droni.
Droni. Yes. Bucket. Droni.
Esha Ka, Esha Samadarvi.
Samadarvi. Yes.
Sa Ka, Sa Kartari.
Uttama. Dhanyavada Bhagini. So like that, you know. So, sorry.
What is Samadarvi? Samadarvi is
Samadarvi means this. What do you say? For I mean, it sama means equal. No, the play. It is a spatula.
okay. Okay.
In Tamil, we'll say dosa tiruppi.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Samadarvi. Oh, 1 minute. I'll just what?
Marjani is broom. Is it broom? Marjani.
Samajani looks like broom.
Yes, it's a broom. Some marjani. Yes. Droni bucket. Yeah. Janani mother. Sanyasini, you know, grihini. And putri, daughter. So like that, if you have to use, I mean, for the name, it's Sa Priya, Sa Geeta, Sa Madhavi, Yesha Madhavi, Yesha Geeta, Yesha Priya. So like that, we have to use. I don't know whether, I think whether he knows or not, I don't know. Hariharan Mahodaya. I think I should have sent a message, I forgot. Today, Tuesday, probably he would have thought that only Friday we are having class. No idea. So this one is Gaika.
Hmm.
So Madhavi Bhagini, could you please attempt? I will ask the question, you can please answer. Yesha ka
Esha Gayika.
Gaika Uttama. Sa ka
Sa Upacharika.
Upacharika Uttama. Yesha ka
Esha Tula.
Sa ka
Sa Madhumakshika.
honeybee. So Sa Madhumakshika Uttama. Yesha ka
Esha Gruhagodhika.
Oh, Chipkali.
He said Gruhagodhika.
Griha Gotika. Sa ka
Sa Lata.
Yesha ka
Esha Suchi.
Suchi Uttama. Sa ka
Sa Punah Purani. What is
Refill.
what is it?
Refill.
Refill.
Yes, refill. That ink pen, I think, or refill you can say is Punah Purani.
Punah Purani.
Purani means, I mean, we can again and again refill it, no? So that is meaning Punah Purani. Punaha, I used to say, no, after the end of the class, Punar Milamaha will meet again.
Again.
So Punaga means again and again. So Punah Purani is Purani is filling. So refill. Then Yesha ka
Esha Patra Suchi.
Patra Suchi. So Suchi we know it's a needle. So Patra Suchi is a little bit bigger one. No?
Bookmark. I think
Kundu.
it's a bookmark. Huh?
No, Kundu.
Book, yeah, Kundu, yeah, Patra Suchi is correct. This what is it? A pin.
Clip. Not clip.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
What we call a jump clip. Is that what it is?
No, jump clip, not jump clip. It is pin only.
Pin.
Gundusi will say no. Pin.
We are
Okay.
not
Then
getting
Sa ka
Sa Vellani.
Vellani. Uttama. Dhanyavad.
Means all the ladies will know what it is.
Velan.
Vellani. So for we were telling no, for Kim we have to use in Napumsaka Linga. So etat tat. So those are the words. Etat tat you already seen. So for Napumsaka Linga Shabda we have to use Kim. Etat Kim, etat Bhavanam. Etat Bhavanam. Tat Kim, tat Mandiram. Tat Mandiram. So we have to use etat kim. Etat kim, etat vatayanam. Etat vatayanam. Tat kim, tat sopanam. Tat sopanam. Sorry, today I think some disturbance will be there because many guests are at home. I am in a different place.
Okay. No, no disturbance. It's okay. No noise coming.
Etat kim, etat chatram, umbrella. Etat chatram. Tat kim, tat nakshatram. Tat nakshatram. Etat kim, etat kamalam. Etat kamalam. Tat kim, tat champakam. That is a Chandaka flower, no? That champakam. Tat champakam. Etat kim, etat yutakam. Yutakam means shirt. Etat kim, etat yutakam. Tat kim, tat urukam. Last time I sent the reply, no? Then I saw it's pant. Urukam. Tat kim, tat urukam. Urukam. Okay. Okay. Then Priya Bhagini, could you please? I will just ask the question, you can reply. Etat kim,
Etat bhavanam.
tat kim,
Tat mandiram.
etat kim, second one.
Etat vatayanam.
Tat kim,
Tat sopanam.
uttam. Etat kim,
Etat chatram.
etat chatram, uttam. Tat kim,
Tat nakshatram.
uttam. Etat kim,
Etat kamalam.
uttam. Tat kim,
Tat champakam.
champakam. Etat kim,
Etat yutkam. Yutakam.
yutakam,
Yutakam. Yutakam.
uttam. Etat kim,
Tat urukam.
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 Yes, urukam.
Mhm.
Urukam. Pant. ధన్యవాదాలు బహిని. Then Sriram Mahodaya, could you please answer? Etat kim, and it is written on top. Etat kim
It's not there.
is not there, I think. Geeta
Etat
Bhagini?
Parnam.
Oh,
Sorry,
okay.
another new. Etat Parnam.
Oh, okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Tat kim,
Tat Mukham.
mukam. Tat mukam. Etat kim,
Etat Kridanganam.
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 Actually, Kridanganam is actually playground. It is Kridanakam.
Etat kim? Etat Kridanakam.
Kridanakam, uttamam. Etat Kridanakam.
Etat Kridanakam.
Tai. Tat kim,
Tat Chakram.
uttamam. Etat kim,
Etat Udaram.
udaram. So you know that stomach. Etat udaram, uttam. Tat
Udaram.
kim,
And what is udaram?
Udayam.
oh, yeah,
Stomach.
udaram.
What is udara? I thought it's blood.
Blood,
Udaram is stomach.
stomach.
Stomach. Yeah, but it looks like
Etat kim. If blood, I think it is some other name, I think. I'll just check up and let you know. This is udaram. Tat kim,
Tat Hridayam.
hridayam, uttamam. Etat kim,
Etat Panasam.
jackfruit, panasam. Jackfruit. Tat kim,
Tat Alukam.
you'll know the answer. Alukam is, of course, in
Potato.
Hindi also it is there. Yeah, potato. Yeah. That alukam. Yes. ధన్యవాదాలు మహోదయ. Okay, then Geeta Bhagini.
I can tell, madam, I'm just landed. I can say.
Sundar Mahodaya.
Haji, yes.
Okay. Yeah, please. Etat kim,
Etat Amram.
uttama. Tat kim,
Tat Dadimam. Dadimam.
dadimam,
Tat
uttama.
Dadimam.
Pomegranate fruit, dadimam. Dadimam, this is ambra. Okay, tat kim,
Tat Kadali Phalam.
banana.
kadali phlam, uttama. Etat kim,
Etat Lashunam.
Lashunam. You know it is in
Yeah,
India
yeah.
also, no? Garlic, yeah. Yes, garlic. Then etat kim,
Etat Vyajanam.
Vedanam, uttam. Tat kim,
Tat Kamalam.
uttama. Tat kim,
Tat Pada Shukam. Padan Shukam. Padan
padam
Shukam.
shukam. Yes, padam shukam.
Is that also pant?
Yeah, pant. I think probably it is up to full pant. Probably padam shukam.
Padam.
Then etat kim,
Etat Kashanshukam.
Karamshukam.
Karamshukam.
Karanshukam.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Karamshukam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Etat karamshukam. It is full and I mean with karame
Full
you
shirt.
know the hand full shirt.
Hands.
Yes.
Hand.
Yet
Full hands.
full and pant. Actually, we generally will say pant, but this is padam shukam. Probably it is up to our feet. So it is
Okay.
padam shukam. Karam shukam. Yes. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Thank you.
Okay, it is given that index finger you can see yete prashna vachakaha. These are all the questions. Prashna vachakaha. Kaha, ka, kim. Prashna vachakaha. Questions. Kaha, okay, it is given here. Kaha, pullingaha, masculine. Kaha, pullingaha. Ka, strilingaha. Ka, strilingaha. Kim, napumsakalingaha. Kim, napumsakalingaha. So, that we have already seen. Kaha, pullingaha. Ka, strilingaha. Kim, napumsakalingaha, neuter gender. Okay. Okay, chitrani drishtva uttarani likantu. I'm seeing the question, I give the answer. Okay, see the pictures and answer accordingly. Yeshaha kaha, I think, Madhavi Bhagini, could you please try?
Eshaha mushikaha.
Mushakaha.
Mushakaha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Then second one, can you try? Saha kaha.
Saha bidalaha.
Uttamam. Saha bidalaha. Third one, Yeshaha kaha.
Peacock, I don't know. Saha.
Mayuraha, it's okay.
Mayura.
Eshaha mayura.
Mayuraha. Mayuraha. You want, yeah, no problem.
Saha.
Saha kaha, because you are all answering this much, that itself really a great thing. Because I mean, so many vocabulary words we are learning, no? So it's really, I mean, of course, one or two will definitely we may not be remembering. Saha kaha.
Saha sukaha.
Shukaha, uttama. Yeshaha kaha.
Eshaha meshaha.
It's given. Saka.
Sa aja.
It is aja.
Sa
That
aja.
female. That Saka. It's a female. No, so aja. Ajaha is a masculine. Aja. Saka sa aja. Uttama. Yesha ka.
Esha chhatra.
Chhatra. Uttama. Very good. Sa. Okay. Balika also. Chhatra is a very good answer. Yes. Sa. I'm sorry. Yesha chhatra. Yes. Then second one. Sa ka.
Sa adhyapika.
Adhyapika. Uttama. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyawad.
So, okay, Priyam Bhagini, could you please just we'll again practice it just for say. Yeshaha kaha.
Yeshaha mushiha.
Mushakaha.
Mushakaha is male. Okay. Mushakaha.
Saha kaha, the second one.
Sahakaha is a cat. I am not sure what to say.
Bidalaha.
Vidalaha.
Bidalaha. Bidalaha.
Vidalaha.
Saha bidalaha. Third one. Yeshaha kaha.
Yeshaha mayuraha.
Fourth one. Saha kaha.
Saha is shukaha.
Shukaha. Uttamam. Yeshaha kaha. Fifth one.
Yesha is meshaha.
Uttamam. Sa ka.
Sa is given actually. Saha.
Aja. Aja. It's very
Sorry,
small.
Aja.
Aja. Yes. Uttam.
Aja.
Then Yesha ka.
Yesha one second.
It's okay, you take your time, no problem.
Balika ne, I want Adhyap, no.
Ah, you can say Bali, no problem. Not that you have to say only Chhatra. You can say Sa Rama, Sa Sita, Sa. Even you can say your name. Anything, yeah, any female name you can say, no
What do you
problem.
call it?
Yesha,
Student? She's
Sorry?
student. Balika, ne to, what is student?
Chhatra.
student, yeah, Chhatra is student.
Chhatra.
Yes. Chhatra is the exact answer, but otherwise you can, even if you say Balika, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Even or you can say Rama.
Okay,
Suppose if you know the person, Yesha ka, Yesha Rama, you
okay.
can say
The next is
Yesha, Sa ka,
Saha Adhyapika.
Sa ka,
Sa Adhyapika.
yes, Sa Adhyapika, Uttama. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Okay, then I will ask. Sriram Mahodaya, Sriramji,
Yeah, namaste.
ninth one, can you, could you please try? Etat kim,
Etat pushpam,
Uttama. 10th one, Tat kim,
tat palam,
Palam you can say, or Ambram you can say.
ambram, tat ambram.
Tata. Etat kim,
Etat netram,
yes, correct. Uttama. Tat kim,
tat
12th one.
mukam,
Tat mukam, yes. Second ka, so mukham. Huh? Okay. Yeshaha kaha, 13th one.
eshah sauchikah. No, not sauchikah.
Okay. Yes, no, I think Swarnakaraha.
Swarnaka.
Yes, because it's a little bit difficult to identify. Yeah. Swarnakaraha. Goldsmith, I think so. Because I can see some ornaments. So, goldsmith. Yeshaha Swarnakaraha. Saha kaha,
Saha lohakara.
Lohakaraha, yes, Uttam. Then Esha ka,
Esha,
actually it is a Nritya.
nit,
Nritya kaha we saw, no? So, Nritya, I'll just check it.
Nartaki.
Nartaki you can say. Nartaki. Thank you. Esha Nartaki.
Esha nartaki.
Yes, Esha Nartaki. Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Sa ka,
Sa dvichakrika.
Dvichakrika. So, Esha Nartaki. Yes.
Esha nartaki.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Here also arrange and write 6 sentences. We have to write, okay? Samayojya Shat Vakyani Likantu. Arrange and write 6 sentences. So it is given 1, 2, then. So any 6 you can write. So, okay. How you can write? Okay, you just please.
Etat kim.
Geeta Bhagini. Geeta Bhagini, please try.
Etat kim.
Uttamam. Etat kim. Correct.
Eshaga kaha.
Uttamam.
Esha ka.
Yes, correct.
Sa ka.
Sa ka, yes.
Tat kim.
Correct.
Saga kaha.
Saha kaha. Uttamam. Okay. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Then Sundar Mahodaya, could you please try? Same.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So, etat kim,
Etat kim. Uttamam.
eshah kaha, esha ka,
Correct.
sa ka,
Sa
tat
ka,
kim,
yes.
sah kaha.
Uttamam. So like this only. So now all of you know how it should be. I mean, question has to be formed. Okay. So Yeshaha, Yesha, Etat, Kaha, Ka, Kim. Okay, so now we'll see. Okay, Rikta Sthanani Purayantu. Fill in the blanks. So the question, I mean, answer is given, uttaram is given. So prashna we have to form. Question we have to form. First one I'll just okay. Yesha Malini. Yesha Malini is the answer. So what should be the question? Yesha Ka. Yesha Ka. So we have to give like that. Second one, the question is given, answer you have to give. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Ganeshaha. Yeshaha Ganeshaha. So based on the answer, the question has to be given. Okay. So Sundar Magodaya, could you please try? You tried, I think, no, last.
Yeah.
Okay, then Madhavi Bhagini, could you please try?
Yes, madam. Esha ka, Esha bala.
Third one. Okay. Yesha Bala. Yes.
Etat kim, etat vimanam.
Uttama.
Etat kim, etat pushpam.
Uttama.
एषः कः एषः सुरेशः
Uttama. Dhanyavadalu Bhagini. Priyam Vada Bhagini, could you please try 7th one?
Yesha Ka, Yesha Adhyapika. Sorry, Yesha.
Correct. Yesha Ka, Yesha Adhyapika.
Yeshaga Krishak. Yeshaha.
So we have to use either Kaha, Ka, Kim.
Kaha.
Yes, correct.
Yesha Krishakaha.
Kushakaha.
Again, Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Vriddaha.
Uttama.
Yesha Ganga. Sorry, Yesha Ka.
Uttama. Yesha Ka, Yesha Ganga.
Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Tarunaha.
Uttama.
Then Etat Kim.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Nagaram. Nagaram.
Etat Nagaram. Bahu uttama. Dhanyavadalu Bhagini. Uttama. Fill in the blanks according to the given answers. Question is Saha Kaha, Saha Suryaha. So we have to write the question. Okay, Sriram Mahodaya, could you please try?
Second one. Sahakaha, Saha Buddha, Sa Ka, Sa Nartaki, Sa Ka, Sa Naika, Tat Kim, Tat Karavastram, Sahakaha, Saha Chatra, Tat Kim, Chatra, Tat Kim, Tat Mandiram.
Uttama. Dhanyavadalu Mahodaya. Geeta Bhagini, Karavastram is
Full shirt.
Towel,
yeah,
hand
full
towel.
and shirt. Yes, correct.
Buddha. What is the meaning of Buddha?
Sorry?
Buddha.
Buddha is the planet, no, that is Buddha.
Surya,
Okay, got it.
Then 8th one, Geeta Bhagini, could you please try? 8.
Saga kaha, saga swarnakaraha.
Uttama.
Sa ka, sa malati. Saga kaha, saga shivaha.
Correct.
Saga kaha, saga mogammaddaha.
Muhammad.
Mohammadaha.
Mogammaddaha. Okay. Mohammadaha. Okay, it's a name. That is a name.
Yes, Mohammed.
Okay.
Mohammed, no?
Okay, right. Sa ka, sa latika.
Uttama.
Tat kim, tat kanitram. एतत् किम् एतत् करवस्त्रम्
एतत् करवस्त्रम् उत्तमं धन्यवादः भगिनी
Madam, what is Khanitram?
yeah I'm also thinking I will let you know Khanitram. Can anyone have the answer?
Oh my God, Kanitram.
Kanivatram Kanitram
Kanitram.
Munitram Kanitram I'll just I will let you know. I will send it in the WhatsApp.
Okay, okay.
Yes, this one, no, write questions according to given answers. Yes. Okay, I think
I'll try,
Sundarji.
madam.
Sundarji.
Yeah.
Yes. First one. Etat Relayanam. Answer question.
Etat kim? Sorry.
It's okay. Sundar Magadaya is free. Probably he is not unmuted.
Hello? You're able to hear
Yes,
me?
please. Yes, now we can hear you.
So,
First one.
etat
please tell
kim,
me.
etat relayanam, tat kim,
Relayanam.
tat sthanakam,
Sthanakam.
एषः
Question you
कः
have.
एषः
Yeshaha kaha.
सुधाखण्डः
Sudhakandaha. Okay, then fourth one.
सा एषा सा जननी sorry
Sa Janani. Yes.
is it right?
Sudha. Yes, correct. Sa
No.
Sa ka sa Janani. Uttama.
Saka.
Sudha
अच्छा
Kandaka
सा
is
का
a chalk
okay
piece.
okay
Sa ka.
okay
What is
Okay.
Sudha Khandaha?
That is chalk piece.
Chalk piece. Okay. Sudha
Yes.
Khanda.
Then fifth one. Could you please try?
yeah सः कः सः जनकः
Uttama.
एषा का एषा अग्रजा तत्
Agraja.
किं तत् जलम्
Jala. Uttama.
सा का सा पुत्री
Uttama. So Agraja, can anyone tell me?
Elder brother. Elder sister. Elder sister.
Yes, elder sister, correct.
This is Geeta answering, na?
Madhavi.
Madhe, okay, good.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. So, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.
Agraja is
Yeah, Anuja is younger sister. Agraja is elder sister.
What about elder brother and younger brother?
Yeah, Anuja is
Agrajaha, Anujaha.
Agrajaha.
Agraja Anuja.
Okay.
So Agraja Anuja. Elder brother sister. This is Agraja Anuja.
Sundar Mahodaya Mama Agrajaha.
Mama Agra. Yes, correct.
He's
Agraja.
my brother. That's why I'm saying that.
Correct.
Is your real brother?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, then 17th one, fill in the blanks. Rikta sthanani purayantu. So, question you have to, I think in two places you have to fill up. The first one, so answer is putraha, yeshaha kaha,
Eshaha
yeshaha putraha, putraha. So, like that you have to say. Second one, mandiram. So, tat kim, tat mandiram. Okay. Madhavi Bhagini, could you please try from one?
Eshaha kaha, eshaha putraha. Tat kim, tat mandiram. Esha ka, esha Durga. एषः कः एषः जवाहरः जवाहरः
Jawahar.
जवाहरः एतत् किम् एतत् खनित्रम्
Kanitram.
Mitram.
Yeah, it is coming again and again. 1 minute. I think hope it is record is going on. I am just want to check up. Recording is there. Okay.
yes it's happening
1 minute. I'll just see. Okay, I will let you know. Otherwise, I don't want to waste the time. Okay. Kanitram.
Hmm.
Then probably I don't know. Probably the three in Tamil will say Mukkani. Probably that must be the answer. I will just find out. I don't want to give. I want to give the correct answer. I don't want to give. I mean, what is it? Okay, then say second one, sixth one.
This
Dash ka.
एषा लता
Khanitra means I think mines, like a gold mine or coal mine. Khani, they say, no?
Yeah. But that's what I'll see the dictionary and let you know.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to guess and give the answer. That is why.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, I want to give the correct answer.
No problem.
So-
This is all Google knowledge. That's all.
Google, if it is given means okay. Otherwise, no, we'll see the dictionary. That is better.
Oh yes,
you know.
yes. Thank you.
Because now I am in the share mode. I don't, because that will take some more time. So I don't want to waste the time now. That is why. Okay, dash ka. Okay, you can say sa ka or esha ka. Both you can say. Yeah, okay.
सः कः सः अनुजः
Yes. Anujaga.
सा
Uttama.
का सा सीता
Uttama.
एषा का एषा इन्दिरा
Uttama.
तत् किं तत् व्यजनम्
Yajana. Uttama. Dhanyavadaga, Bhagini. So what is the time now?
only 10. It's only 50.
Okay. Okay, then so it is given again. Yesha. What did you say, Bhagini?
Nowadays we feel in classes complete finishing soon because it is interesting, no? So
Yeah, that is because I didn't want to unnecessarily take you over more than 1 hour. No, suddenly I remembered. That is why I saw it. Yesha. So Yesha Saha. Kaha is pullinge. Then so okay. Prashnaga. For it is. I mean, they are just telling us. If the question is. I mean, kaha means prashna. Prashnaka. Question is kaha means. I mean, it is a pulling shabda. We have to give yeshaga saha uttaram. Yeshaga saha mayuraha. Yeshaga or saha kaha. Yeshaga bar saha. You can use it. I mean, according to the situation, mayuraha. Yesha sa. Sorry. Yesha or sa. For that, you have to use strilinge. Yesha sa mahila. Etat tat. Kim nabumsakalinge. We have to give the answer. Etat or tat pushpam. So we already done. So it is just given. That's all. So the box is given. So based on the question, we have to select the answer. Etat, esha, esha. It is close by only. So they have used eshaga, esha, etat. Kaha, ka, kim. So we have to give the answer. Premada Bhagini, could you please try? You can try 6.
एषः बल्लूकः
Uttama.
एषा माला
Uttama.
एषः धीवरः धीविरः
Divaraha. Divaraha. Fisherman, no? So, Divaraha. Yeshaha, Divaraha. Uttama.
Then एषा Droni.
Droni, Uttama.
Tat Yutkam.
Etat, etat,
Etat Yutkam.
Yutakam.
Sorry, Yutakam. I always think
It's okay.
Yutakam.
It's okay.
Every time I'm committing, I should correct myself. Sorry.
It's okay, no
That-
problem. It's very difficult to, I mean, because the same letters are used, so it is a little bit difficult to switch over from Hindi to Sanskrit. It's natural.
Then Etat Dadi Mam. Dadimam.
Dadim. Dadimam.
Dadimam.
Etat dadimam. Uttam. Dhanyavada, Bahini. Now, Sriramji. Here it is given. Uttaram Eshaha, Esha, Etat. Okay.
एषः देवता
No. I think
Okay.
Ena.
Yeah. Okay. From here only it is, you can take, sorry, Devata. So based on that question, answer is Yeshaga, Yesha, Etat, you have to give. That they are showing. Okay. So question. Kaha, ka, kim. Then second box, please. So Sri Ramji.
एषा अङ्कनी
The first one?
एषः देवता
No. Yesha.
एषा देवता
Yes. Yesha Devata. Yesha Ankani.
एषा अङ्कनी
Third one.
एतत् विदूषकः
Why Etat?
एषः विदूषकः
Uttam.
एषा
Darvi.
एषा दर्वी
Correct.
एतत् गोशाला
Goshala.
गोशाला
Yesha.
Yesha Goshala. Yes. Yesha Goshala.
एषा गोशाला एषा अध्यापिका
Adhyapika. Yes, correct. Yesha Adhyapika. Correct. So first one is Yesha Devata. Yesha Ankani. Yeshaha Vidushakaha. Yesha Darvi. Yesha Goshala. Yesha Adhyapika. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. So, kaha, ka, kim. So the box same. So we have to use saha, sa like that. Okay. First one,
I'll tell madam.
Dvichakrivaka.
I'll tell madam.
So,
Sundari.
okay, Prashnaha you can use like this. Now, Prashnaha you have to use kaha, ka, kim. While giving the answer, you should use tat, saha, sa. So that is only given here. Okay, we will just try this and we will close it. Okay, Geeta Bhagini, please try the first box.
Sa Dvichakrika.
Okay, you please answer question. Please give me the question.
Okay. Sa Dvichakrika.
Okay, sa, ka, sa, dvichakrika. Okay.
Saha kaha. Saha arinaha.
Saha, kaha, saha, arinaha. Uttama. Correct.
Sa karkati.
Karkati, uttama.
Saha kaha. Saha nirupaha.
Nrupaha.
Correct?
Correct.
Sa punaf purani.
Uttama.
Saha kaha. Saha vanaraha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. So we have to form like this only. I think the first box little bit. Okay, we'll try it tomorrow. In the next class, we'll try again. Then Sundar Bhagavate, could you please try the second
Sure, ma'am.
boxes?
Yeah. Tat kim tat Krishna falakam.
Krishna Palagam, Uttama.
Sa sammarjani.
Samajani, Uttam.
Sah kah
Yes,
sah amra vrukshah.
Uttama.
Tat kim tat sopanam.
Uttama.
Sah kah sah adhyapakah.
Uttama.
Etat kim etat vatayanam.
Uttama. Dhanyavadaha. So again, the last page we will practice again. Okay. Okay, then Friday we will have the class. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, it's a good practice.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have to write and read now.
It was a lot of practices were given. It's really a very good book. So we need not practice because by default, because we are practicing more and more. So the etat, tat, and the saha, kaha, like that formation you will easily get it, and also at the same time vocabulary.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, shall we meet on Friday? Agam idanim Shanti mantram vadami. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadah. Punarmilamah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Dhanyavadah.
Thank you very much. Dhanyavadah.
Thank you.
ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ.